What I want to do is show you everything I do, and you can then apply this to your own process. For when you fire up your laptop or however you make your beats, things that maybe I hope someone had shown me 20 years ago. My plan is to let you see from end to end precisely how I piece together my own productions. The first thing I like to do when I'm working on the track is just to take the drums, beef up the kicks and the snares, add some other elements to it. And now with all the new stuff in it, sounds like this. The role of a producer is, it's an intangible ability to just know constantly what's best for the song. I want to teach you everything I know about the art of collaboration. Over this series of lessons, we're going to cover everything about crafting a song. Your bass line has to do so much. The bass line has to support the chord progression. It has to rhythmically move and work with the drums in the rhythm section. It's just literally a chromatic progression. I'll show you all the technical tools and tricks that I use in my own process. I'll be deconstructing some of my own productions, and you can then take these things and apply them to your own process. What we're doing here is we're playing an E minor 7th chord, which is this. Forget about all those things, commercial constraints, who will listen to this. Just concentrate on making something that you truly find exciting and that you would listen to. That being said, let's make a hit. I'm Ronson, and this is my BBC Maestro course on music production.